Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Locus Map. Locus Map is designed for all kinds of outdoor activities and the app is available on Android. It offers a variety of different maps and you can search for a 3-word address and see it on the map. Now to search for a 3-word address, tap on the search button in the top right corner and tap on the menu button and scroll down. There's a section called Search Others where there is a what3words option. Tap on it and now the 3-word address search is enabled. But it only works with internet connection. Now let's enter a 3-word address, for example, lunch, movies, types, and tap on the search button. Now the pin shows where this location is, and you can zoom in to see from close. When you tap on the 3-word address that appears below, it gives basic information of this location such as the coordinates, date and time of the search, and the what3words map link. In the bar below, you can choose to either see this location on the map, navigate to it, or share it with your friends. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.